Experience the incredible journey of hope as humanity, NZF Canada, and Muslim Aid join forces in an epic Ramadan food drive at Toronto's MLSE LaunchPad. Watch an army of dedicated volunteers transform an empty space into a massive assembly line of kindness, from unloading trucks of groceries to methodically sorting essentials. See how Perfect Stranger became a synchronized team with a one mission, feeding over 400 families in need. Each basket packed with essential food items represents not just meals but dignity and care for Toronto families this Ramadan. Watch how community spirit turns into real impact when we unite for a cause bigger than ourselves.
Stay right there. Jump in the shot too. I want you in the shot too.
This is going to reach staggering 1,100. Oh, thank you so much.
Put that in,
Yes, yes.
and then that's your speaker right there.
Habibi. We are very excited to show you what's going on in the build. We are making more than 200 bags for giving to underprivileged people. And let's see how the build is going. We have Team Orange over here, and they're building some awesome stuff that we'll given out. And then we have the next bags, which are the Team Yellow, the Team White, which they're doing separate build, totally different items. We'll go and check each of the items out. So we're very excited to see how the day ends. Alhamdulillah, we packed 2 bags for each families. All of your donated money went right into the hands of the people over here. So as you can see, we have 1 bag with the essentials, lentils, oats, honey, some sugar and other things. And this other bag also has some nice goodies, for the kids, ruafza, and everything that you have donated, it'll be hand delivered to families in need over here. So make sure to continue donating so their last 10 days of Ramadan and Eid goes well. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's overall tour of today's build. Thank you. Sadece football.
Cost and onions, inshallah. Onions. Got this?
These are the last ones?
Last one.
Okay, okay. Jazakallah khair. This one's like, with the leg, you have to swipe or something. We have some samples over here. These are some oats. We have some tea. We have some table salt, some honey. Dates are the best part. Some genetically modified chana. And it's all-purpose flour. Then granulated sugar. And there's rice.